Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to set the screen time for the specific application in this device. So if you're wasting too much time to scrolling Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, etc., then you can set the restrictions to access these applications for a time limit. For this, simply go to settings, then scroll down. Here you can see the option screen time. Tap on this one, then tap on the option app limits. Then here you can see the option app limit. Set daily time limit for app categories you want to manage. Limit reset every day at midnight. Okay, tap on the option add limit. So from here you need to these are the categories of application, and from here you need to select the application that you want to set the app time limit. Okay, so from here, simply here I am going to select the application Hotstar. Tap on next. So here you can select the app limit. So here I am going to just set to 1 hour. You can see the option app limit will apply to all of your device signed into iCloud with the share across device enabled. A notification will appear 5 minutes before the limit is reached. You can see the Hotstar is selected. Okay, so here you can customize the days also. If you select this one, you can customize the days. So if you want to change and the time limit for Sunday, if you select this one, and you can change it to 2 hours only for Sunday. You can see only for Sunday it is 2 hours. The all other days it will be 1 hour. Now tap on add. You can see the Hotstar is added here. So simply in this way you can set the time limit for the specific applications in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.